Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you Dollar Tree bathroom organization DIYs and ideas to organize under your bathroom sink. I'm using mainly Dollar Tree organizing products in this video to show you how you can transform a cluttered up and messy area into a neat and organized space. I found this really cute contact paper to place under the bathroom sinks and in the drawers for just $1. I made this hair tool organizer using foam board from the Dollar Tree. I highly recommend making this one if you need something to organize your hair products under your bathroom sink. Before we get started, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by Tula. Tula is a probiotic skincare that uses clean, cruelty-free, toxic-free formulas that combine 100% natural probiotics with superfoods like blueberries, turmeric, and vitamin C to deeply nourish your skin. Tula is 100% free from phthalates, parabens, toxins, carcinogens, mineral oil, sodium lauryl sulfate, and harmful preservatives. For morning and night, I like to use a purifying face cleanser. Here's a quick swatch on my arm. I'm massaging onto wet skin and then I'll follow up rinsing with water. This probiotic gel infused cleanser removes makeup, dirt, and impurities. The skin is left looking balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. After cleansing, I follow up with a resurfacing and brightening fruit enzyme mask. This instantly exfoliates to give a brighter and smoother looking skin. It has a gel-like texture and it refreshes my skin to help soften and even my face tone with every use. Apply on clean skin, leave 8 to 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Here we have the Deep Wrinkle Serum that can be used in the morning or night. This serum gives the skin firmer, smoother, and a more plump appearance. You just apply 2 pumps on clean skin and place it where you need the most firming, followed by your favorite moisturizer. This is the Daily SPF 30. It's a protecting glow with UVA plus UVB protection against negative effects of pollution and blue light while also giving you a glowing look. And here we have the Overnight Repair Treatment Cream. At night I want to take full advantage of nourishing my skin and have a defense for wrinkles. This is the most potent treatment cream Tula offers. Just apply a thin layer to clean skin at night and you'll wake up to feel your skin softer, plumper, and radiant. The moment I first tried Tula's probiotic infused skincare, I said to myself, why didn't I care about my skin sooner? Their products have made my skin feel amazing, so I wanted to share this company with you guys, that way you can try it out for yourself. Make sure to check out the description box. I'll leave a link to Tula along with coupon code QUEENHOME for a discount off your purchase. Thank you so much Tula for sponsoring today's video. Now let's continue with this bathroom organization. I'm going to be making my hair tool divider to organize all of my hair tools under the sink. My hair curlers, straightener, and blow dryer were scattered and tangled in one of the drawers, and it made it really unpleasant to open that drawer because of the mess it was. I never found a hair tool organizer that I liked, so I decided today I was going to make my very own. For this project, you'll need 2 foam boards from Dollar Tree, and I'll leave all the materials you'll need in the description box along with the exact measurements. I started off hot gluing 2 foam boards together, then I cut out a piece to trace on the leftover foam board and cut that piece off as well to have a total of 2 glued foam boards. Next, I'm cutting off some of the foam boards so my organizer isn't as wide. This part is totally up to you on how wide you want your base to be. I just want to make sure it's going to fit under the bathroom sink in a vertical way. Now that I have all the foam board pieces to complete this project, I can go ahead and start hot gluing everything together. Next, I'm going to make the bottom base of the organizer using the leftover foam board. I'm going to hot glue these 2 pieces together, then add the glued box on top and trace inside to cut it out. This piece is going to fit snug at the bottom, and when you insert it, make sure to hot glue the edges afterwards, that way it doesn't slip out when you hold it with your hair tools in it. You can definitely add a stronger glue like E6000, but a strong hot glue should be enough since it already fits snug. I made sure to add a good amount of hot glue around the edges, then I grabbed another bottom base I made to fit snug inside the organizer and use as dividers. I cut down the length of it to the size I wanted and inserted them to make sure they would work before adding hot glue to the sides of them. I have this leftover mirror reflective contact paper from a previous project, so I decided instead of using real mirrors on the sides of the organizer to add this contact paper instead. I laid the contact paper down, placed the organizer on top, and pretty much wrapped it like a gift. For this project, you can use marble contact paper as well, which would look really good. I just didn't have it on hand, and to avoid a trip to the store, I used this up. This contact paper is so shiny it could pass as a mirror. It also comes with a clear wrap you can peel off right after you apply the contact paper on whatever you want. I'll make sure to leave it linked below if you're interested in it. Next, I'm measuring each wall of the box spaces so I can add a really pretty scrapbook paper on the inside. You can add whatever color scrapbook paper you want. I bought this one from Michaels. And just a quick disclaimer, I would never add anything warm in this hair tool organizer because I know it can be very dangerous. This organizer should only be used with products that haven't been heated and are room temperature only because it can be a fire hazard. Now that I have my cutouts for each space, I went ahead and hot glued them in the organizer and started cutting out rhinestone wrap from this placemat I bought at Home Goods. You can find this rhinestone wrap pre-cut from Hobby Lobby, and make sure to use a 40% off coupon if it's not already 50% off that week so you can save some extra money. Personally, I like buying these placemats when I see them because I get more products for the money compared to buying them pre-cut. I recently went to Dollar Tree and saw that they had stocked up on contact paper, and I really like this white and gray design, but I wondered if it would work good in the bathroom cabinets and drawers. To my surprise, it was very easy to apply, and if you mess up and need to peel it off, it's easy, and I can say it's a great product. For $1, you really can't beat it. I bought 3 rolls to fill these spaces out, and I only used 2. I fold all of my towels this way because I love the look. My mom taught me this method when I was little. To this day, I receive a lot of questions on how I fold this way, so I'm going to show you with these microfiber towels. Here's how everything turned out under my sink. I really love this organizer because it's something that I always needed to organize these things. It's unique and different because I made it, and I highly encourage you guys to try this DIY if you also need a hair tool organizer. It holds all of my items very secure and it's sturdy. For my husband's side, I needed baskets to organize his items, and I found these really cute white and black baskets from Dollar Tree. They fit perfectly in this space, and I'm just playing around with them to see which style I like better. I ended up with the first style, then I added all of the items in each basket and is now a more functional and organized space for him. In a previous organizing video, I showed this clear container from Dollar Tree and I added this gray liner for a nicer look, but since I have this leftover rhinestone wrap, I wanted to go ahead and use it. Adding this rhinestone wrapper on the container instantly gives it a beautiful look. This DIY is super easy, quick, and gives such a glam factor to any space it's in. You can add this piece in your bathroom to store makeup, nail polish, skincare, hair products, perfumes, and so much more. If you need a push today to help you get started on cleaning and decluttering, I'm here to tell you you can do it. You deserve to live in a home that you're relaxed and welcomed in. For me, it all starts by having a nice and clean home. This concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree bathroom organization. I wanted to keep everything budget friendly and still give you ideas to transform a messy and cluttered space into an organized and functional space. Also, don't forget to check out Tula. I'll leave their website link in the description box along with the discount code off your purchase. I'll talk to you all in my next video very soon. Thank you guys so much for being here and showing your continued love and support. Have an amazing day.